play your position. You got the name, I got the lyrics, so sit and listen. I remember when I didn't have a pot to piss in. It's all my mama's struggle cause we had an empty kitchen. Yeah, I do it so I never live like that. History repeats itself, but I don't need that history back. Cause all I want is my money rolled up in bundles so my family can be stress-free without no struggles. Just finished up my album, had no clue what else to do, so I said just fuck the waiting, now I'm working on number 2. August 2013, we dropping it. So if you want some real music, just go and cop that shit. I put my whole life on the line with it, cause before I recorded it, I felt like quitting. My girl told me, I know you love what you do in your bag, and you love me too, but most of all you love your fans, don't let them down. Yeah, she said I know you love your fans, don't let them down. And you a king if you wanted, you know you got what it takes to take the crown. Yeah, she was right. Yeah. And you a king if you wanted, you know you got what it takes to take the crown. Lost people on the way to try to get it in, cause they think they deserve some profits to split these dividends. 2 things I got, my balls and my words, so fuck whatever you heard. My nigga, this shit's confirmed by me. I'm coming to take it, and all of you rappers take too long to make it. Fuck this waiting, I had my talent masked away like Jason. I went from selling shows out to having no shows now. This shit is fucking stressful, I wish I can just go out, yeah, like a regular person, learn a regular lesson. Instead every time I walk out, somebody's got a question. You still rap? Where you been? Did you quit? No, you stupid motherfucker, it ain't easy to make it big. I guess I took a turn on the wrong road, but I'm back and the old me is long gone. It took a year to realize what I was doing bad, but when you get the album, you gon' realize that I am back.